CFIUS is a U.S. government body that protects U.S. national security by reviewing and, in rare cases, stopping foreign investments in U.S. companies while ensuring that the U.S. economy remains open to most investments. CFIUS has reviewed thousands of foreign investments. Each review follows a simple three-step process with a rigid timeline. CFIUS reviews often focus in an area of sensitive national security technology such as advanced computing, defense, or aerospace. It operates only as a last resort where other national security laws cannot provide protection. Only the President has the authority to cancel a transaction. However, the President's power here is nearly absolute, and he can take action at any time, even after an investment has already been made. On September 13th, President Trump invoked this power to deny an acquisition of a U.S. firm by a foreign company. The acquisition target in the most recent case, Lattice Semiconductor, develops advanced, highly customizable computer chips for advanced applications. The acquiring firm, Canyon Bridge, is a U.S.-based company that has received a sizable investment from the Chinese government. State-sponsored investments are not exceptional for the U.S. economy, but this investment is apparently tied to a larger Chinese government effort to take the global lead in semiconductors. This case is far from the end of the story. Maintaining an open investment climate while taking prudent steps to protect national security suggests that the work of CFIUS will be even more important in the future. Ultimately, the United States needs a winning strategy to ensure that U.S. industry can out-innovate and out-invest its global competitors.